Did you know there is an orientation and desire to learn to help you learn how to use the D2L system? After logging into the My PCC portal and accessing PCC's D2L webpage, you will see Using Desire to Learn under My Courses. This is a great tool to help you learn how to use Desire to Learn. This is not a required orientation. This is simply to help you understand the D2L system so you can take advantage of all its very useful functions. When you access the course, make sure to read the news items. These state that it is not mandatory and it is also not one of your registered courses. It is very important to remember that you will not submit your assignments or have your class discussions in this course. The actual courses you are enrolled in are found on the My Home page in D2L as seen here. Click on the Content tool. You'll be taken to an overview of the D2L orientation. Here you will also see the table of contents. Instead of clicking on the table of contents, you can select each individual module. If you are a returning student, you may just need to access some of the modules to help touch up on how to do certain things in your classes, such as accessing your grades or using the Dropbox. You do not have to complete each module or access the modules in any specific order. Complete the modules that you think will help you in your courses. However, it is important to make sure your computer's browser can run D2L in your courses correctly. Click on Navigating Desire to Learn. Then click on D2L Requirements. This module will show you the system requirements you need to access your courses. You can also run the system check so D2L can check for you. Click on the arrow next to D2L Help, and then click System Check. If you have all green arrows, then your browser is ready for you to access your courses. If you do not, please update these items so you can properly use your D2L courses. A very useful tool that I would like to point out is the notification system. D2L's notification system allows you to receive email notifications and mobile notifications for updates such as news items posted by the instructor, reminders of due dates, grades being released, etc. You can select which ones you would like to receive as an email or as a text message. Check out how to set up these features in the Navigating Desire to Learn module under Notifications. There is also an orientation for the student that is doing full online courses. You can access that by clicking on Orientation for Full Online Courses. This will include a lot of useful information on being an online student and a self-evaluation you can take to find out if online courses are right for you. Finally, if you have used the D2L orientation course, there is a survey that allows you to submit student feedback. Let us know if the orientation was useful for you, what you would find helpful or didn't find helpful, and any changes or additions you would like in the orientation. We would love to hear your feedback.